Timothy's here, boys. He got a surprise for us, apparently. Holy shit. We got the management today, boys. So this is everything we need. We got Airlift 3P management for his bags. And we're not installing it today, but it's good that he got everything ready so we can do it soon.
It comes with 1 year warranty, you know?
Let me see.
Okay.
16? What?
Look at the total, bro.
$17.99. Holy fuck, you're a baller.
Nah.
Damn.
I'm saving up for this, man, so I deserved it, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Meanwhile, we got the whole gang out here.
All this dude bought.
Ooh, Royal Purple.
Yeah.
So that's for Andrew's car.
You know what I'm saying?
Lance is here too, boys. And then Andrew parked his car in here. This is the Z, by the way, that we got yesterday.
Hey, shout out Sinners.
Still hasn't got a car wash yet.
But
It's all good.
Shout out Sinners, though.
Shout out Sinners.
Make sure to cop this shit. Shit fuego, bro.
Yes, sir. Damn.
Put it right here. Put it right here.
Damn, boy. Look at that Z, boy.
Hey, should we put the stickers right here?
Yeah.
No,
So you can fix the headlight.
No, right here.
Yeah, clean, huh?
Right here, somewhere.
Right here. Both here. Yeah, guys, we got everything back on the IS. We got the taillights on, the wheels. And I just took off the bumper this morning and put her back. So she's looking like a complete car once again. And I also got the grill back on as well. But yeah, right now I do need to recharge the AC on this car. So I bought some AC refrigerant. So let me show you guys real quick. And also my taillights do not work. So I got these bulbs for the brake lights. And also my reverse light is out, but that's because of the swap and the reverse isn't wired up to the reverse light yet. So we're just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm gonna do with the AC. Since this car, the AC needs to be recharged really bad, so I bought this at O'Reilly's and we're gonna use this and recharge it. And I'm just gonna look it up how to do it because I never recharged my AC before, but I heard it's not too bad, so should be fine. And other than that, we're just gonna go ahead and clean up the car real quick because it does smell really bad in here. Like someone just hotboxed the fuck out of it with cigarettes. So we're gonna wipe down everything and then probably OZM it today and get rid of the smell because it's actually been bothering me. But car's pretty good so far. Got most of the shit on. All I need to do is take out these two front seats and the back seats and then swap them over with my old one. And hopefully then the other IS will be ready for sale. So I do have a lot of buyers interested, but if you guys want to hit me up for it, I'm open to everything, so just let me know.
Hey, don't tell it dirty, bro.
It's clean still. We gotta show the subscribers. Come on. Okay. Damn.
It's not dirty right now.
It's lightweight loud already.
Yeah.
Oop. Alright guys, so got a little problem here. Smoke is coming out of the fucking radiator and you hear like the coolant bubbling right now. So I don't know what's wrong with the car, but I think we're gonna take it easy and then probably switch the radiator out. We gotta double check everything though.
Hey, you know what you could do?
Looks like there might be a leak or something.
You know what you could do?
What?
Just untwist this cap right here, see if it's working.
Not yet. It's too hot, bro. Alright, so Victor gave me this here. We're gonna go ahead and spray it first before we do anything. And I gotta double check on the radiator because that shit's bubbling hella bad. So I might need a new radiator, guys. But he did say we need a coolant flush, so I gotta do that too. But I don't know how to use this, but we're just gonna spray it everywhere. So Lance, what's the story here?
I don't know. What happened?
What were you gonna say?
Fucking coolant's hella dry.
It's
no
empty,
coolant at
huh?
all, bro.
There's no coolant up in there. I mean, it looks hella dry already. So we're gonna refill it. Thank God I brought some here. So we're gonna give some and then we're gonna pour it in. Thank God I noticed this earlier because if I didn't, I probably would have blown the head gasket and the motor would have been done and I would have cried. You know what I'm saying? It's all good though.
It's all good, you know what I'm saying?
There you go. No funnel. Let's see what's up.
No funnel, boys.
Shit, bro. Shit, it's good. Should I just fill it all the way?
Yeah.
Can you read it? Shit. Oh shit, bro.
Get more. Put more. More.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy. Put some more.
Is it leaking at the bottom?
Nah.
Bro, I fucking spilled
Oh,
some.
that's it.
No cap, I spilled some on the top. Fuck. Oh
No, you're
I have a
good.
coolant leak. You can tell. Oh, is that from the? That's probably just from the top, huh?
Yeah, from the top.
You sure? What the fuck?
So is it good now?
Shit.
Is it good now?
I don't know, bro. But if anything, I'm just getting a new radiator anyway.
That level
Mishimoto boys.
It's full now though.
The vlog at least.
Sleeping.
Yeah, guys, Jericho's sick right now. Pray for him. Get better, brother.
With the COVID-19.
Oh,
All right. Yeah, we're doing some minor adjustments on the on Andrew's new Z. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All the Asians know how to work on cars for some reason.
No, not really. Not Victor for some reason. We're not Asian.
How'd you get that shit to turn, bro?
It's already turning, bro. You just keep doing it. All right, y'all. We are testing out the gauge now. So we connected it to the low port. Now we're gonna turn on the car and then blast the AC because that shit is hell and not cold. So it blows hot, and we're just gonna start it. And we gotta blast it.
That's hella low. There's no PSI.
It's low, right? All right, so now after we blast it, we're gonna get this and then we're gonna fill it up until it is in the green. All right, guys, we're just pressing the trigger now, and then you want it to be in the green. So let's check where it is right now. Let go. It's good now, huh? Coolant is good now.
Good.
It's not overheating, I think. Thank God. But it's still low. I think I need the whole bottle. Alright, just shut that shit off. Alright, y'all, we just recharged the AC and refilled the coolant. Looks like there's no leaks under the car, so we're good on the coolant part. And I was tripping. I thought it was a bad radiator, but it turns out that we just had empty coolant, thank God. And I just recharged the AC, and let me see if it blows cold, but I'm pretty sure it does. Because I just used the whole bottle of it, and he just told me it needed a recharge. And turns out that he was right, because this shit is actually ice cold now. So before it would just blow hot as fuck, but right now it blows ice cold, guys. So pretty happy about that, since this is my daily, and I wish I could have done this before I took the drive home from SAC, but we're all good now. So thank God there's AC in this one, and yeah, we can just turn it off. And right now we're gonna go ahead and check on the tail lights, and we're gonna go ahead and fix the brake lights, because I believe 2 of the brake lights are actually out right now. What's up, y'all? We're doing an oil change now, and we actually had to use Andrew's shirt.
Yeah, you know, you don't want Lodi Jerko to get mad.
Yeah, hell no.
We told him we spilled oil in his garage, and he was like, "No, for real though, be smooth about it."
And then yeah, we're gonna do that. And apparently when we were draining the oil, there's only like 2 quarts up in this bitch.
Yeah,
Typical
Black as fuck.
typical DE problems.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out Purple.
Lance is calling me right now. We'll see what's good with that guy.
Shout out Purple right here.
Shout out to Royal Purple. Here's the oil we're using. Royal
Yes,
Purple.
sir.
still need a 14-minute socket or no?
We actually don't, bro. You taking a piss right now?
Yeah, you don't see it?
This dude's loady, man. Look at Andrew in the Z though. Peep Andrew though.
You know what I'm saying?
How you feel today?
DK of California.
Tell us what you did today to the car.
We did some oil change. Then we were gonna switch the headlights, bulb, but then we didn't have the exact same thing, so I have to order it at Amazon. Shout out to Chris though. You know, he told me about it. You know.
How about Victor?
Yes, sir.
And he helped
Oh
me
yeah.
out.
Oh
No,
my
listen,
God.
Listen, he helped me about the bulbs, but mostly Vita helped me out too. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, Victor got happy. He's like,
I know more about the Z than Chris.
oh.
But he doesn't even drive his Z.
I don't even drive. I don't even have a Z anymore.
Yeah, you got the.
I got an IS now.
Did you show them the thing shipping up?
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah, I like it.
Good plan.
You know what I'm saying? You
put your ass on
on
it.
everything now?
Put my ass on it, huh, when I'm driving.
Yeah, sit on it, bro.
He's got all the cars out here today. Lance is on bags now, so he didn't even air out for us. Fuck. It's all good though, but I'll show you guys his like management. I forgot to tell you guys he got bags. Look at that right there. Yeah, there you go. He sold his BCs for him. But yeah, it's cool. Alright guys, we're pretty much finished with everything now. So we also got a likewise shift knob from Jericho. Let me show y'all. So shout out to Jericho. He got me this. Or I actually took it from him, but I'm gonna pay him back. But yeah, it actually fits my car, so it's actually a lot cleaner. And I think I really like it a lot. What do you guys think? Is it rice or what? Kind of looks like a fucking drift car now. Yeah, this shit's sick. But anyways guys, that's it for this video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for 400 subs guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I gotta get on my own. Oh, I had to get off the floor. Oh, remember when I used to kick? Now I'm tryna run it up. I gotta do it for my folks. And I'm just